Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is on how you will be preparing for your physical education examination. आप कैसे physical education के लिए preparation करेंगे? First of all, देखिए, this subject does not require too much of effort. At the same time, it will actually fetch you a lot of marks. Trust me, physical education was the subject that I studied the least, but I scored 99 in it because it's actually easy to fetch marks. Okay, now what resources did I use? First of all, I used the book from Saraswati Publications. It has good content and it is reliable, and again, they have a lot of questions. They will provide you with a lot of questions, previous year questions as well, and MCQs for you to practice. Okay, and one more thing I would suggest you, if you're getting any book for physical education, once just match the book's syllabus with your CBSE, the syllabus in the CBSE website. बिकॉज कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कुछ कुछ टॉपिक स्किप कर देते हैं बुक में, और वरना कुछ कुछ टॉपिक बुक में रहता है जो आपके सिलेबस में नहीं है. सो आप अपना सिलेबस देख के पढ़िएगा. मेक श्योर यू आर स्टडिंग रेफरिंग टू योर सिलेबस. ओके, डोंट स्टडी समथिंग दैट यू डोंट नीड. नाउ सेकेंड थिंग विच इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, अगैन प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस बिकम वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अगर आपके पास कोई बुक है तो बुक के पीछे ही आपको मिल जाएगा, पर अगर बुक नहीं है देन यू कैन गेट देम ऑनलाइन एज वेल. आप ऑनलाइन भी PYQ सर्च कर सकते हैं एंड यू कैन go through them. It becomes very important that you actually go through the PYQs. Then number 3 would be YouTube channels. Which YouTube channel would I suggest? I actually use just one YouTube channel for physical education, and that would be Zaki Saudagar. Their YouTube channel, I discovered it kind of before the exam, but it was really very helpful because they have explanation videos, and again they also were solving sample papers. So the questions that they were solving in their sample papers actually came in the main, like in the board exam. So they will help you out a lot. वो जो questions करवा रहे थे वो actually boards में आए भी थे. So it will be helpful for you if you can go through their videos where they are solving the questions. Okay, one more thing is sometimes their answers, few of the answers might be wrong. So उसको आप कभी कभी cross check करें. अगर आपको doubt हो रहा है कि this answer might be wrong, you can cross check. Okay. एंड नेक्स्ट थिंग इज़ दैट, फोर्थ थिंग वुड बी आंसर राइटिंग. अब देखिए, फिजिकल एजुकेशन में आपको ऐसे आंसर लिखना है कि जो चेक करेगा आपका पेपर उसको लगे कि आपको आता है. ओके, यू हैव टू मेक द चेकर बिलीव दैट यू नो. So it's very easy. Of course, you have to use subheadings, and then write using subheadings. Then if you are attempting the question of where you have to draw the fixtures, make sure that you are drawing the fixtures correctly. Or if you are attempting the questions based on these tests or based on yoga asanas, make sure you are making diagrams. Okay, टेस्ट के लिए आप रफ डायग्राम्स बना सकते हैं, showing these stages. Or for yoga asanas, it is very important you are drawing the figure, how the asana actually is, step by step nahi. Agar you can make one initial one and one final one, how it will look at the end. Another important thing, I know there are a lot of asanas, you don't want to learn so many, but then again, at least each and every lifestyle diseases, see, you can do one thing, you can find out the common ones. Like there are so many ones that are common, and also PYQs में कुछ है जो repeat होते रहते हैं. So आप उनको अच्छे तरीके से करके जाइएगा. Please do not skip out the ones that have come in the previous years, and there are few of them which are repeated in each and every lifestyle disease like Dhanurasana. ये सब आपको करना ही है. Okay, don't skip out on those. So this is all that you need for physical education. Trust me, it is one of the most easiest subject to score good marks. Also, the paper is only of 70 marks, so you get the time to actually frame your answer really well. And also you can make, if you want to, you can make flow charts. You can also write your paper well and draw lines and etc., so that it is pleasing to the checker. So present your paper properly, present your paper in such a way that the checker feels that you know. Okay, and also go through the PYQs. So this is all for physical education. Please do like, subscribe and share, and if you have any other doubts, you can let me know in the comments. Good luck with your studies.